Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the Wavy tunnel indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the Wavy tunnel indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 45 different strategies, with 12 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 506 indicators, with 209 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. And keep in mind that we test all these indicators and strategies on the Forex market, but they can be applied to just about any market universally. Alright, so today's indicator is the Wavy tunnel indicator, and you can see it here on screen. I did go in and make two slight modifications. So I turned off this top plot right here that is in red, and I turned off this gray plot right here that is in gray. Leaves us with this right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the main purple line, the large one here running through the middle of the screen, as a overall trend direction. And so when price action is above that purple line, we are looking for only long trades. When it's below that purple line, we are looking for only short trades. And then what we're going to do is we are going to use the channel here. So it's the two lines with the dots running through the middle of it. We are going to use that as a signal to go to actually enter into the market. And so basically, when price action comes down and into the channel and then breaks back up to the upside, then we would go long if price action is above the large purple line. If it's below the large purple line and price action comes into the channel and then breaks out to the downside, then we would go short. Now, another piece of this is that we do have to be mindful of where the channel is and as it crosses that purple line as well. And so if price action is above the big purple line and the channel, both lines break out to the upside, then we are going to go long. If both lines break to the downside, then we are going to go short. So I hope that makes sense. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing, and we can look at it a little bit further as we go along. All right, so we pick up our first long signal right here. So as I said, price action is above the large purple line there, and we see that price action comes down into this channel and then breaks out to the upside right there. Has a little bit of a pullback right here, but is able to make a decent little push to the upside. That gets us to take profit. Let's go ahead and continue on. All right, we get another long signal right here, very similar setup. Price action is above the line, and we get a pullback into the channel and then a breakout to the upside of it. Price action pulls back just a tad bit and pushes to the upside, getting us to take profit. Now you see that price action has pushed down below the large purple line, and so we are currently looking for short opportunities. Let's go ahead and continue on. Right, so now you can see an instance where price action is below the big purple line, and you can see that one part of the channel breaks out to the downside here, and then the dots break to the downside, and then right here on this candle right there, we get the break of the other line to the downside of the purple line. And so that's what we were talking about. That is the other kind of entry signal right there, so that would be a short. And you can see price action drops really nicely, getting us to take profit once again. All right, so what I'm going to do here is go ahead and fast forward the testing. That way things don't get too long, and we will pick this up when we are at the end of the year. All right, so that puts us at the end of the year right there. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below, as well as a link to our Discord. Once you sign up as a patron, it'll give you access to the Patreon only channel, where we post some really great advanced information about trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy in general. Our admin Jay and some of the regular members post regular market analysis, where they put up screenshots of charts where they've marked out areas of support and resistance, indicators that they're using, exactly when they're entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They're growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, you'll get access to the full list of indicators that we have tested, that we have recently had transferred over into an Excel sheet. And so you'll get access to the Excel sheet and the PDF of all the indicators, showing exactly which indicators were winners, which ones were losers, as well as their win rates. And you'll get access to a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. That shows exactly which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, as well as links to go back and review those individual videos. And another new thing that we've been doing here recently is one of our other members has put together a small handful of profitable optimized indicators that we are giving away to all the patrons for free. So there is a ton of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel, and it doesn't cost hardly anything at all. I highly recommend it. All right, so back to our indicator here. All right, so let's get everything in focus here. There and there. All right, let's go ahead and count these out and see what we get out of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. So we have 11 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 winning trades. So that is not going to meet the 60% criteria. That was really close and seemed to be doing all right in the beginning. And then it kind of started taking a few clusters of losing trades. which really dropped the win rate a little bit there and ended up eventually costing it the 60%. And so for now, this one is going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here.